I wonder how the child that I gave birth to that she will be waking up before me. And I don't see this one before. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. Depends on when you are seeing this video. So every time, I don't know if I'm the only one. Every time before I wake up, this girl used to wake up before me. She'll be the one to come and wake me up. You can see she already wake me up and telling me that she's hungry. So I had to make tea for her so that she will take with bread, at least to hold her before I make something. So that's me then making tea for her, just trying to make tea for her to make sure that yes, she's okay. Let me sort her out first. And I'm still feeling sleepy because I'm having serious body pain. But what will I do? I had to take care of her first. I had to attend to her first before any other thing. So I made tea for her, and that is me trying to fix the kitchen and keep some things in order before I could go into what I want to do. And the other day that I went to market, I bought this pineapple. That pineapple there, I think I bought that pineapple at the rate of 1,500. Yes. That pepper. Now this is the pepper that I'm using because of expensive of pepper. The way pepper is expensive. And that one yours is 500. The way pepper is very expensive now. So I just respect myself and buy pepper. And that fish, I bought that fish for I think for 2,000 naira. That for more 1,000 naira. The way pepper is very expensive. That's why I just respect myself and go and buy this pepper. Because now pepper now I was very surprised. I wanted to cook indomie for my brother. I used pepper of 500 naira. The thing is not still pepperish. So the way the country is going, I don't know if I'm the only one that is seeing it. It's only God that will help us. And that's me there trying to. After she finished taking the tea, she had to come. So I collect this thing and washed. So I had to pet her so that she will go back to bed. Yeah. So today I'm trying to make soup, sha. I'm trying to make soup. So that fish though, I like using hot water for my fish because the germs and everything. So I like using hot water for it. So that is me. I've used hot water. So I'm removing the bone to disbone it so that I have a child now so that bone no go and hook her. So I had to remove the bone, and that's me trying to play. Look at the girl that I told her go and sleep, but mama, she refused to go and sleep. Then she now come there and be looking at me. So it's she that I'm just even trying to play with. So I'm trying to play with her so that she will not say, this. If I did not play with peace, if peace is looking for attention, you not give her attention, is a problem. And for today we are cooking soup. So I don't know the name of the soup that I'm cooking because I'm not even using ugu. It's just water leaf that I'm using to cook that soup. Here you see, it's just water leaf. The soup is sharp soup. Yes, but I won't call this soup concussion. Yes, now I won't call it concussion because there is enough fish inside, enough pomo inside. And when I was even making this soup, so I now remember that I did not have crayfish. My crayfish has finished at home, so I had to go outside and get crayfish. You people will see the crayfish that I bought now. The crayfish that I bought very small, like tiny, 200 naira. So I bought 3. That crayfish that I bought is 600 naira. And the things, look at the crayfish. That's the crayfish that I'm pouring inside. Things is very expensive. It's only God that will just help us in this country. Because this country, now God now go help us. So after that, I had to stir the soup now. So I'm just making the soup. After this, madam took tea. She has already started stoning that she's hungry. So I had to test, and you see me, it didn't balance well. That dance is for balancing.